And just before depositing any money, make sure that you complete the profile here. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can create an Exness account, how you can create a live account or a demo account. I have left a link in the description that you will click. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. So just click on create an account, and then you will enter your details here. Just choose your country, and I just choose Argentina so that I show you something. And then here I will enter an email address here. So I'll enter an email address there, and then the password that I will be using. So here I just enter the password. So that way, just continue and then confirm this. You are not a robot. So this pop-up will open. Just close it, and as you see here, you will have a demo account just created automatically. Now to switch to your real account, just open here where you see a demo account, and then after opening, you will see somewhere where we have that real account. Just choose it, but this real account does not have any money. Now you cannot deposit before completing your profile. You need first to complete your profile so that you can deposit money here and start trading. To complete your profile, open on this menu. You can see a menu here. Just open it, and then here on the products we have an arrow, a down arrow there. Just open it, and then we have the personal area. This is where you need to open, and then you will see somewhere where you have all the details, all the information, and then you can complete your profile there. So you can also view your demo accounts, your balances, even your real account there, and you can add and remove any account that you need there. So as you can see here, this prompts me to complete my profile. As you can see, I can just proceed or just close that, and then here we have an account that is already set. So this account is already set. If I want to transfer it to MetaTrader 5, I just change the password to the one that I need. Or if I'm not just satisfied with that one, I can just open another account. So I can just tap here, open another account, and just before depositing any money, make sure that you complete the profile here, which requires you to enter your phone number, complete your KYC, and then also confirm the email address. So make sure that you confirm your KYC, because if you don't confirm your KYC, you might not be able to withdraw any money here. So make sure that you confirm that before depositing any money here. And if you want to trade, you can just proceed to web trader. So just proceed to web trader, and we also have here options of copy trading, as you can see. So if you have any question about this, just ask it in the comment section. If you don't have an account, then create using the link in the description below. So thanks for watching.